Bye.
This is the start of the 4th of July vlog.
Hashtag welcome to a trash weekend. It's not even the weekend.
She don't wanna see. She ain't ready for it. If I ain't the greatest, then I'm headed for it. Yeah, that mean I'm way up. Yeah, the 6 ain't friendly, but this way I live.
Fudge brownie. I feel like you should. I don't know what to get. Also, why do I look like an egg? Look at all these pimples. It's okay. Happens to the best of us. She just like went in the like she went to the spray tan. Like I didn't even tell her. Like her, and she had like she definitely has pimples, and she had like cream on her nipples. Like because we have cream there. Like some people put it on their nails. So oh, I have it on my face. I have it all over my face. I'm just so happy. It smells like the ocean. Grace wants me to take a picture of her. Too complicated. I just ate that whole ice cream, and if you saw, that was the size of my head. Now I'm just stressed out over the fact that I just ate all of that. But you live and you learn, right? This is like the challenge. It's like
when they have to eat like massive amounts.
Yeah, like on 4th of July, how they have the hot dog eating contest. Come on.
Finish your ice cream eating contest.
Yeah, do it.
I'm gonna throw up, but I can't let my fans down. I thought you were gonna say we were gonna go naked, and I was like, where?
No. We're gonna go night swimming, so that'll be fun.
Just one Oreo one. Oh my god, oh, so bad.
I've been trying to learn how to make my tongue pop.
I'm gonna do it.
Like I did it on accident in my last vlog, and I can't do it since. You're like, I just like can't do it. I literally look like an egg. Wet, 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 wet. I just have you guys propped up on like a trunk while I sit here and brush my hair because I just want to talk to you guys and see what's up. So like I said, I'm here for 4th of July, and I'm here with Grace and her family. They're so kind and let me come to 4th of July every year, and it's so much fun, and we have so much fun. It's just a huge deal. I'm just really grateful for Grace and her family. Me and Grace have been best friends for like a really long time, We've had some great memories. If you have any other requests for any videos, just comment them down below, because I'm not a creative bitch. So I'm just kidding. I have a lot of ideas, but a lot of them require me to be at school and in New York, because New York is my oyster, girlfriend. Don't know what else we're doing tonight. Probably nothing, because it's kind of late. It's like 10:30, 11 o'clock already. So I'm just gonna keep brushing my hair. I have to show you guys something so crazy. But can you guys see this? This is a huge bug bite. It's like already on top, and look, like I have like a bump here too. What? The last time I was here was August 31st, 2017. We're changing that. Hey, what's up you guys? He's back. We're gonna go watch the fireworks. My makeup looks kind of good. Hey, Grandpa. Grandpa's dressed like a minion. We're walking through the woods to get to the fireworks.
To get to Grandma's house.
No, we're just going to the beach. Where's the beach?
Last year at Cusanello Music, and
foot in the way.
wonderful. People asked to have them back, and here they are. Thanks everybody for coming.
You're so pretty. Wow, you look so good. We're just chilling at the beach, just trying to get a good picture. This is Phil. If you need good pictures taken,
I'm the man.
Okay, thumbnail. Thumbnail. Ready? Like
Again.
I'm just gonna record, you know?
Wait, get a little more facing where I'm not side.
Okay, okay.
Just so it's more like, you know.
Why am I so zoomed in on myself? How do I get out of this? That's where the fireworks are gonna come from. I just think that this is like really pretty over here. Like this little ledge. Oh God. This little like cliff. I have to go. Ew. Alright, I'm gonna stop vlogging unnecessary stuff until the fireworks start because I look really good right now, but yeah. See you when the fireworks start. Retweet if you feel bad for the dogs. Good lighting. Oh my God, good lighting. Seriously, Disneyland could never. I love America. Happy 4th of July.
Yeah, well, I woke up yesterday, I was trying to spoon me.
Oh, I got three in the bed, and everyone said, no, no.
Look, you're in the vlog.
This what?
You're in the vlog.
Oh, my God.
This bit again. Your con I have to go to Panera on this fine morning because they forgot what kind of the French toast bagels. Your creation, what is this?
This is for the blog.
Yes, what is this?
Now, may I tell you what is in this wonderful creation? We love cheese.
We love cheese.
We love cheese in this house.
Oh, OTD, what are you wearing today?
I am wearing, it's wonderful as my dad phrased it, a little trashy but patriotic
Okay,
tee
I like.
with some high-waisted button-only shorts.
No, I have
And
brushes
a
for you.
classic Old Navy American flag
Perfect.
hat.
And I like the shoes because they're not just plain like mine. They're a little fancy, add a little kick, little flair. I'm into it.
Extra style.
My OTD.
This camera.
The face tat. The earrings. No, I don't want to FaceTime. Ugh, the earrings. The grandma shirt. The lifeguard bathing suit. The high-waisted shorts and the Old Navy flips. Where's Tori? It's Tori's turn now. What are you
I'd like
wearing?
to start from the bottom, please. Flip-flops are from Victoria's Secret Pink. These shorts are from House of Weber. House of Weber. This bathing suit is from Target. My hat is from Love Your Melon. And this super cute top is from an online boutique that's too bougie for
Oh wait, I didn't think I was
This
with
shirt
you.
is from Macy's. These shorts, I don't know, my friend gave them to me. These flip-flops, I don't know, my mom gave them to me. And my bathing suit today is from Aerie.
Good.
Target.
Everything Target. Okay, so I'm sorry that I haven't really vlogged today, but it's 4th of July and we've been in the pool all day. Now we're gonna go to the beach and take pictures for the gram in my shadow. So good, everyone. Everyone just looks good in this lighting. Like in this golden hour.
Golden light, baby, yeah.
Okay, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here just because I'm going home after this, and this is pretty much all 4th of July consisted of. Us taking pictures of each other, and you can go look at those on my Instagram. Okay, the shadow of my camera. You can go look at those on my Instagram, which will be right here somewhere. But yeah, I'm really squinting because I forgot my sunglasses. But like, comment, subscribe, the whole shebang, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, goodbye. People are gonna think that I'm talking to myself, but I wanted to add this in. Me and Phil were driving home on the highway, and it was still 4th of July. And it looked really cool because there was a bunch of fireworks on the highway. So I'm gonna insert that clip right now. Oh my god, that is so cool. It's literally right there. Look at that. Hi.
Searching for the thrill of it, thrill of it. Say that it's love, but to me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch. Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't